Hi everyone, welcome back. This is a part 1 of 3-part series of Personalized Outreach AI Agent, which runs entirely from the chat window for free. Today we are going to build the workflow 1 for lead qualifying tool, which will qualify your lead along with the reason based on certain criteria. And we are going to do it in series because it will be easy for you to understand. So let's build it. Before we start, first we need a form which will collect the lead information so we can work on it. So it can be Google form or website form. So we are going to use a Google form which is linked to the Google Sheet. To test our workflow, we need a raw data. So for that reason, we are going to fill the Google form. So we will have a data to work on. We can see our raw data in Google Sheet. And now it's time to build a workflow. So very first node is a trigger node. Here we are going to use when executed by another workflow trigger node. This trigger waits to be called by another workflow which we are going to build in video 3, which is agent part. So here we have to set accept all data and it is executed. Next node is Google Sheet. Get rows in sheet. So here we have to set up the credential. If you haven't watched this credential video, go and watch it first and set up your credential. Then you will get your Google Sheet name and also the sheet name as well. So we can see we have already fetched the data here from the Google Sheet. So our node is successfully executed. Now third node is Gemini, which is very important one. We have to choose messenger model. Again, create credential. For that, we need an API key. We have to create API key and paste it here and save. After that, we have to choose a model. Here I am going to choose Gemini 2.5 flashlight model because it is free. And then we have to give prompt. So here we have to give 2 prompts. So I have pasted the prompt here. We have to drag and drop the fields, respective fields from left hand side. And set role to model. And now here we have to give another prompt as a user, which will have the name, company size, and decision maker. So this is basically a brain of the entire workflow. So the prompt we gave tells Gemini that qualify a lead if they are a decision maker at a company with a 45 or fewer employees, and return the JSON rating and reasoning. So contact data gets passed in dynamically from the sheet. So here we have to drag and drop it. And then execute the step. Also here we have to keep the retry on fail on. So it will try automatically after failing the workflow execution. And here we can see our data is processed and we got the status and reasoning. Sometimes you may face this kind of error. So you just have to check your model and on the retry on fail mode and stop workflow. Wait between time is 5000 and maximum try 3 times. So it will automatically try on fail. So next node is edit field node. Gemini response comes back as a text. So this node places it into 2 clean fields, rating and reasoning using json.trace. So what we have to do, we just have to drag text field here, and in front of the $sign we have to write json.praise and brackets and set string to object. And we can see here we got the clean labeled data separated under reply box. So the next node is the merged node, which combines two streams of data. So here we have to set mode to combine by position and input 2. So input 1 will be contact information and input 2 will be qualification result generated from Gemini. So the merge combines them by position, so contact 1 gets matched with its qualification result and contact 2 with its result, and so on. So here we can see the full row of data with the qualification added. Now we are going to write back our result into Google Sheet. So for that we are going to use the Google Sheet node, and the operation will be update row. Set up the credential here as well and choose the sheet from the list. Here we have to give the column to match on. So I am going to give timestamp, which will act as a unique identifier column. So drag the timestamp field and drop it here. We have to update rating, reasoning and outreach column. So other than that, we have to delete. Now go to the reply table, drag the status field and drop it in a rating. Similarly, go to the qualification reasoning, drag it and drop it in the reasoning block. We are going to keep outreach field as it is because it will get updated when we execute second workflow. So for now, skip it and execute the step. So we can see on the right hand side rating and reasoning. Also it is reflected in our Google Sheet. When the agent asks this workflow to qualify lead, it needs to know when the execution is completed. So for that we are going to use the last node, which is edit fields. This is very simple. We just have to set one field called response with the value done. So this is a signal that goes back to the AI agent, which we are going to build in video 3. And without this, the agent will just keep waiting forever. And now we can execute the workflow. And our workflow is executed successfully. That is workflow 1, the lead qualifying tool. In the next video, we are going to build workflow 2, the personalized message tool. This one reads the qualified lead and automatically writes a personalized outreach message for each one, tailored to their role and company. Subscribe so you do not miss it, and see you in the next one.